Just doing a quick video for you today. Two videos today. This one is all about ScentClub. Just going to update you on ScentClub, what's going on with it. And some of you might not even know what ScentClub is, so you can find out about it in this video. And stay tuned for another video later today about a new house that's on the horizon that I discovered in June at Exxon's. But ScentClub, I'm just updating you on the next drops and what's going on the rest of the year with ScentClub, coming right up. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Sebastian. Yesterday I'm talking about ScentClub. I'm not sure if you are one of the ones that got to take advantage of the first kit, and if you weren't even aware of what ScentClub is. ScentClub is basically a sampling service that I created, and it's a way for you to discover fragrances that I really enjoy from niche houses. The kits look like this. They actually come like this. This is the box, and the kit is holding 3 fragrances in 3 atomizers. And basically I do a drop and it gets delivered to your house. USA only currently. And the next couple of drops will be done, one coming in about 2 weeks, the middle of this month. And the following one, the third drop, is going to be at the end of October, early November. I'm going to talk to you briefly about the August drop. We're doing a drop in the middle of August. And so I'll announce it in the middle of August, sometime on a Sunday. So basically I'll announce it on a Sunday and we'll turn on the store for you to be able to buy the kits. Initially we did 225 plus an extra 25 on the kit 1. We're going to do a drop of 350 this time. And basically, it'll sell out like the last one. The last one sold out in 36 hours, 32 to 36 hours on the first 225 drop. And then we did another 25 drop, and that sold out in an hour and a half. So we estimate this particular kit to sell out right away as well. I received so many, great compliments from you guys saying the kit is great, you love the fragrances and things like that. Some of you did mention you didn't care for the fragrances. Then that's totally understandable, because this is a very subjective hobby. You're not going to like everything I like. I'm not going to like everything you like. Although some of you said you liked all 3 fragrances, so I was very surprised. So kit number 2, as I said, will be dropping middle of August. On a Sunday is when I'm going to announce the kit 2. Be prepared right in the middle, somewhere, wherever the middle is on a Sunday. As planned right now, as of now, we're waiting on the third fragrance in the kit 2. We have kit, well actually the way this is working is I organize the kits in a way that the older brand gets first, the second oldest brand is the second juice, and the newest brand is the third juice. So I believe the one that we're waiting for is the first juice. The other 2 are done. And so stay tuned for that. If you don't have your notifications turned on, please turn them on, because these will sell out. I will do 1 drop, 1 announcement, and then that's it. 350 at once, and again, will sell out. Kit 2 will be the same, 350. We upped it 100 count for the next 2 kits, and so that will drop end of October, early November on a Sunday once again. So these are the days we'll be doing the drops, Sundays. So just mark it somewhere and then turn on your notifications. As soon as the video goes live, the store gets turned on, and once it's sold out, it's sold out. Kit 2, the fragrances will be very autumn appropriate, as I said. They are unisex fragrances. All my kits will be unisex. Unisex is the way to go. No problem wearing unisex fragrances, but this particular kit will be slightly masculine leaning. The last kit, I think they were fairly unisex. Maybe 2 of them were masculine leaning. 1 of them was right down the middle, maybe perhaps slightly feminine leaning. This particular kit, 2 will be tobacco-focused fragrances. 1 will be an amber fougere. The thing was, one of the tobacco fragrances was supposed to be in kit 1, but somehow things didn't work out, so it got moved to kit 2. But yeah, 2 of them are tobacco fragrances, or tobacco-focused, and one of them is an Amber Fougere. But I think you're going to like these fragrances, and as I said, they are going to be perfect for autumn. They'll wear perfectly in the autumn, and you'll be, you know, smelling great with 5 mLs of juice per brand. The thing that, if you don't know about ScentClub, the thing I did mention, these bottles do hold more than 5 mils. They hold about 7 mils, just under 7. So we don't fill them all the way up, just to so that you are aware. Kit 3, on the other hand, will be, I've got 2 fragrances already worked out, working on the 3rd one for Kit 3. One of the fragrances in Kit 3 is a fragrance I speak a lot about, giving you a clue here. I won't be announcing the names of the fragrances until we do the drop, so stay tuned for that. Kit 3 will also have a sweet, fruity amber fragrance that I also enjoy a lot. One of my favorite fragrances from that brand. Actually, the favorite fragrance. A lot of these fragrances that I'm featuring are my favorite fragrances from each of the brands that are being featured. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Working on finding the 3rd juice for the 3rd kit, but that we still have time for that. But I am planning on preparing Kit 3 before I head to Europe again. I'll be gone to Europe for a month, from middle of September till the middle of October. And then once I arrive a few days later or a few weeks later, we'll open up the store. We're focusing on getting it done end of October, early November for the holidays. So that will be that. After the 3rd kit is done, the look will be completely different on the kits. We are having a redesign. We went with an idea of recycled and kind of laboratory, inspired by Le Labo-esque, kind of very minimalistic, simplistic, because this is all very recyclable here, and we didn't want extra packaging because the kit is shipped in a box that's actually thrown away or recycled, and this is where the bottles fit and things like that. So, but we are going to do a redesign. Actually, we're working on a redesign as well right now. So by Kit 4, the look will be different, but it will be the same size and everything, and same box, just the bottle labels and the card that's going in here will be different a little bit. Maybe the box will be a different color as well, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Also, after Kit 3 is done, I will be handing off the fulfillment to a company that will fulfill the fragrances for me, because it's a lot of work. But if you are not familiar with ScentClub yet, I do want to mention that I am working with the brands themselves. I'm not doing this under the table without the brands knowing, as the brand is providing juice for free. So they know for sure that their fragrance is being selected by me and being featured in the kit. So everything is done legit here. So yeah, this is a great way for you guys to discover fragrances. And I think it's perfect for those of you that live in places that you can't easily go to stores to smell fragrances. And if you've been a follower of mine and enjoy my taste, you're probably going to like a lot of the fragrances I feature here. You're probably not going to like everything, because I probably won't like everything you like. So you'll probably mostly like a lot of the fragrances I feature in these kits. So I think that's pretty much it. Maybe one more thing in regards to international. I will be looking into doing these internationally. I'm looking into doing it EU and also Canada. I don't know if I can go further than that, because it might get really complicated. If we do Canada, we might have to raise the shipping price further and things like that. In fact, the prices might go up for future kits as well. But for now, it's the same price as we did on Kit 1. But if we do end up doing Canada, with the fact that things do get lost, if you were to pay priority shipping, would you buy the kits? Put a comment down so I can find out. In regards to the EU, probably not this year, because we have 2 kits left for this year, Kit 2 and Kit 3. Maybe by Kit 4, same thing with Canada, maybe by Kit 4, because we're not going to do Canada for Kit 2 and 3 either. And the thing is also, by Kit 4, we're probably going to increase the quantity to 500. And we'll probably leave it at 500 for a while, just to see how the demand is for these kits. But that's pretty much it. Let me know if you're a EU subscriber and you're curious about this and you'd be interested in buying. Also, let me know if you're a Canadian subscriber and you'd be curious about this and be interested in buying. And do let me know if you're okay paying for priority shipping and things like that, because I don't want these things to get lost, because we're so limited to the juice. If things get lost and or stolen, we won't have any extra juice to replenish anything that gets lost. So it would have to be a way that it's insured and things like that. So if it gets lost, you get a refund because it's insured and things like that. So do let me know all that stuff so I can find out from you guys. And that's pretty much it for Scent Club. Do stay tuned for the second drop, middle of August, sometime in the middle of August, and so that we can get you the Scent Club Kit 2 before I leave to Europe, and all of it will be shipped out by then. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions or comments, please do list below all about Scent Club, and do let me know about shipping to Canada, EU. Would you pay extra for insurance and priority shipping and things like that? I don't really know what the priority prices are for Canada. I don't know if there's insurance and things like that, so I'd have to research on that stuff anyway. But if you are interested in the kits and you wouldn't mind paying shipping, insurance, and or priority, put those down so I can take inventory. Either way, guys, if we do EU and Canada, the counts will probably stay the same for Canada, but with EU, we'll probably have to have them fulfilled over there. So this is all work in progress. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in today to learn more about Scent Club and the next Scent Club drop. If you have any questions or comments, please list below. Please like this video. Please share it. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll be back with more videos very soon. Have a good one. Goodbye.